Virginia Blumenthal, Vice President of the Riverside Community College Board of Trustees, will offer a welcome and brief remarks.
Good morning. What a beautiful day this is. On behalf of the Riverside Community College District Board of Trustees, I want to welcome you to a new academic year. As many of you know, the Norco campus serves a large geographic area that not only encompasses this city, but also Corona, Eastvale, Mira Loma, and communities as far away as Anaheim Hills. As the district's technology-focused campus, it has important ties with the local industry. And as a comprehensive liberal arts and science institution, it meets both academic and workforce needs. The tremendous growth that you have experienced here during the past 15 years has brought more programs and services to the students, more learning opportunities to the community, and more friends and supporters to the college. As a relatively new board member, I find this progress to be very exciting, and I look forward to the Norco campus taking its place as a fully accredited college within the Riverside Community College District. After more than 90 years, your sister campus in Riverside has become a landmark and beacon for the community, touching the lives of countless generations, mine included, being a graduate of that campus. I am confident that the Norco campus is forging the same type of legacy. Again, on behalf of my fellow board members, I welcome you to the new academic year, and I have best wishes that you would have a most successful year.